Understanding, please consider this, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem simple at first glance but is actually loaded with nuance. Please consider this. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. Please consider this is a polite way of asking someone to think about something carefully or take it into account. The word, please, adds a layer of politeness, while consider is a verb that means to think about something carefully, especially when making a decision. This refers to whatever you are asking the person to think about, which could be an idea, suggestion, or proposal. This phrase can be used in various situations, from formal to informal settings. Here are some common scenarios. In a business meeting, when you have a suggestion that could improve a project. Writing an email, to politely introduce a request or a proposal. In academic discussions, when presenting a new idea or perspective. Personal conversations, suggesting plans or decisions with friends or family. Using "please consider this" shows that you respect the other person's opinion and are not imposing your ideas on them. It's about encouraging thoughtful consideration. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Please consider this proposal before making your final decision. 2. I've included some recommendations in the report. Please consider them. 3. Please consider this route instead. It might be faster. These examples show how adding, "please consider this," can make your communication more polite and respectful. And there you have it, folks. Understanding and using "please consider this" can significantly enhance your English communication, making it more polite and considerate. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English learning journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.